When I was younger, I believed that if you never borrowed, you'd have an amazing credit score since you never took out a loan or made any late payments. It makes sense, right? Well, that couldn't be further from the truth. Taking out a credit card when you turn 18 is the perfect tool to build up your credit score. You can do this by using your credit card to pay for the things you would normally pay for in cash, like paying for the gas in your car, for example, and then paying the card off in full every month without fail. Using it this way will ensure that you never get charged any interest at the same time as building up your credit score. A credit score is kind of like your Uber rating, but for money. Banks look at this and then they decide whether or not they're going to give you a loan. And if they do, what interest rate they're going to charge you. Now, lots of people are against the idea of getting a credit card because they're taught from a really young age that debt is bad. I know this because that's exactly what I was taught. My dad would always say, never a lender or a borrower be. This was a saying that originally came from rich people years and years ago to keep the workers down, as they knew by borrowing, the working class could create wealth for themselves. The rich wanted to keep getting richer and keep the poor in their place. If I had a credit card when I was 18, it would have been much easier to get a mortgage sooner and buy my first property. I would have also been able to borrow more money at lower interest rates. Now, that may not sound significant, but over a long period, like a mortgage, this can really add up.